Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift and remove your truck's bed and uninstall the leaf spring and shackle. Cut off the factory leaf spring shackle mount by cutting off the bolts holding it in place. Replacement hardware for this mount is included. Step 3. This frame section features perforations to accommodate the spare tire crossmember and rear fuel tank crossmember. If you are not replacing these parts, remove the perforations. If you are replacing these parts, remove the factory parts at this time. Step 4. Slide the frame section onto the frame using the holes for alignment. Using the included hardware, reinstall the shackle mount. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame section in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall a leaf spring shackle and leaf spring, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.